Welcome to Sklassics Technologies. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of Python, the building blocks of every program. In this video, we're going to cover Python data types, including integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Whether you're just starting out or refreshing your skills, understanding these data types is essential for writing effective Python code. Let's get started.
See now, all the content will be hands-on experience. Mostly from the starting to ending, up to this 3 months, everything will be hands-on experience. Okay? And theory I'll be explaining in a very shortcut way. If there is a big theory or algorithm, I'll share some links. Okay? You can go through that links and you can understand the concept. Still, like I'll be revising, in a shorter way, I'll explain you the theory. Okay? But I won't take like hours to explain the theory. Here, everything you'll have in hands-on experience. Okay. And everyone know how to create this Jupyter notebook, right? I guess. If you want, I'll explain you. Like you can connect with me after the session. Also, you can ping me. Okay. If you want me to help you in installation, you can ping me. I'll explain you like how to install this Jupyter notebook and all everything. Okay. But try to follow all the classes, okay, and be consistent in these classes. Then only you'll be able to learn things. Without consistently, sure, you won't learn anything. Within 3 months, I'll deliver all the content to you in a very easy way. Okay, once after, like, if you're not understanding in the class, you can go with the recording and once recap all the things. Okay, easily you can understand things. Still, you can ping me anytime for guidance, for interview preparation, or anything. You can ping me anytime. I'll help you in the interview preparation also. What the different questions, possibility of getting different questions, what might be they'll be asking questions. This all I'll explain to you. Okay. Let's start with the first class today. And initially you can go with the W3 schools. Okay. For some days we'll follow the W3 schools content and then after that I'll move to advanced content. Even you can also follow W3 schools up to NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Okay, but I'll be taking advanced part in this NumPy Pandas. I won't follow not only W3 schools. I'll be following different things. Not only W3 schools. I'll add more content into it. Clear, right? Still any doubt in this? I don't want to waste more time. That's the reason in a shorter way I'm giving the introduction about the course and everything. Okay. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ping me anytime. After the class, just share your mail IDs to me. I'll share the recordings to you, to your mail IDs. Okay, even this Jupyter notebook, you have so many videos in YouTube. Try to follow them and install it. Still, if you're not getting, you can ping me how to install it. It's a two-line code actually. If you have installed from Microsoft Store, you can install the Python, and then after that, just in command prompt, you can take this command. Okay, pip install notebook. It will install the Jupyter notebook to you. Okay, and you'll understand how to handle with these things and all. If you practice, you'll understand. You can ping me anytime if you are getting any doubts. Okay, and from basics to advanced part, we'll go in this. Okay, we need to consider the new one and they need to understand, right? So I'll be moving little slow for 1 to 2 classes. Then after that, everything will be little faster with the content. Chalo, everyone know what are the different data types, right? Like what all different data types we have in Python. If you want, you can ping in the chat. Everyone know it, I guess, like string, hint, float, boolean. Okay, and complex and some list, tuple, dictionary sets will deal with this all data types. Okay, and from the basics I'm going, Everyone know what is Python, I guess, right? And why we use this Python for data science. You know this thing, right? Why we are using this Python for data science? You have many scientific libraries in Python. So that is the main reason to use this Python for data science. Okay. What do machine learning do and everything we'll discuss in upcoming classes and stay and try to understand all the things. Okay. Initially, we have a string. You know the string, right? String and next data types, just mentioning all the data types. And you have a float. Just after once I'm completing the class now, you can take this notebook and you can practice. Okay, I'll share both the notebook file, okay, Python file, and I'll be sharing the PDF also. You can check with that. Okay, still, if any doubt, you can call me or you can ping me anytime. Okay, these are the different data types we have in Python. Okay, just mentioning all the different data types what we have, then after that, we'll deal with all the data types in Python. Okay, we have, and one more thing, I'll be sharing a file to you regarding this Python, okay? Like different questions. It will help you for building the logic. For logical building, it will help you. I'll share you the content to you, like some sort of questions, sir. It will have some 40 questions, and everything is like some logical building questions, sir. If you follow that, you'll try to get some logical skills out of it. Some of them might be a beginner to this, right? Who is not familiar with Python. For them, this sort of things will help a lot. And you can also ping me for guidance also. Okay, any guidance or any doubt, you can ping me anytime. Okay, these are the different data types you have. Okay, these are the different data types. You have string. String is a data type. Hint is a data type. Float is a data type. Okay, Boolean is a data type. In Boolean, you'll have true or false. Okay, complex is a data type. List is a data type. Okay, we'll come to this list, tuple, dictionary, and sets. Okay, we'll be covering this all in one class. These are very important topics. List, tuple, dictionary, and sets. Okay, initially we'll deal more with string. Okay, initially how to take input from the keyboard and all. We'll deal with the things. Okay, and see uh, how to take input. Any input, how to take it. Like so, for any variable you are giving, right? If you are giving a, okay, for this you can give anything. Hello world. In C language, if you take this now, it will take some 5 to 6 lines to run this, right? Hello world. Okay. Hash include stdio.h hint main. Okay. Inside that you need to take the print statement. It takes at least 5 to 3 4 lines to print this. Okay. Here in Python, it's very easy. Okay. Even if you are assigning also, it will take some 5 to 6 lines. Okay. Here Python will be very easy to handle. See, here, if I print this, you'll get this way. Just directly you are assigning. And more, what will be the type of way? Here I'm not mentioning what is a type of way, right? When you assign any variable, no, by default it will take the type. No need to mention any type here. But if you take C language or Java, you need to mention whether it is a hint, or float, or string. Okay, you need to mention. But here, no need to mention anything. Okay, directly you can get it. Not only this, like if you take some 34 value, A is equal to 34. If you take type of A, see, by default it will take its own data type. When you assign, not taking from the keyboard, I'll show you some cases also. When you take some values from the keyboard, how you'll get it, I'll show you that also. Okay. So for example, if I'm giving some true, see, what you'll get, see, what is type of true? what will be the type? It's a Boolean. Okay. By default, it will take its data type. Okay. When you assign, this will happen. Even if you take some float value like 9.98, like that you are taking. If you take a type of A, you're getting float like this. Okay. Similarly, you can take some complex numbers too, like how to declare a complex number. A is equal to 10 plus 7j. You know complex numbers, right? If you type here A, you'll get this way, complex. By default, when you assign, it will take the data type. When you assign, it can understand what is the data type of data. Okay. What happens if you take input from the keyboard? Okay. Scenario will change now. See. Okay. Taking wait 1 minute. Taking input from keyboard. We'll see here what will happen. Okay. If you're taking from input from the keyboard, we'll see what will happen. What will happen? Can anyone tell me? Same. For example, see, A is equal to some input I'm taking. This is a syntax to take the input from keyboard. Okay. Here I'll take enter a number. Okay. Okay. See now, I'm entering a number like I'll enter some 40. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is a type of this number now? What will be the type of A? Hint. Okay. Deepesh, it's hint. Others? It's hint. Okay. Yeah, Manasvita, true. It's string. Yes, yes, yes. It's a string actually. Okay, whenever you take inputs from keyboard, na, always it will consider as a string. Whatever value it is, even if you take float, even if you take Boolean, it can be any value, but it will consider as a string. Okay, you need to remember this thing. Okay.